अस्सलामु अलैकुम। Welcome to Kanzul Iman School. Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 23. We will start with English. English page number 24. Read aloud the sound of G. Read aloud the sound of G. G का sound क्या है? G. 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 G pronounced as G. Read aloud with me. G. G. Children, read aloud with me. G. 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 Globe. What is it? Globe. Read aloud with me. G. G. Globe. Children, read aloud. G. G. Globe. G. G. Globe. Now what is this? Gift. G. G. Gift. Children, read aloud with me. G. G. Gift. G. G. Gift. This is the picture of grapes. Grapes produce the sound of G. 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 Grapes. Read aloud with me. G. G. Grapes. Children, read aloud with me. G. G. Grapes. G. G. Grapes. And what is it? Glasses. Glasses also produce the sound of G. 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 Glasses. G. G. Glasses. Read aloud with me. G. G. Glasses. Children, read aloud with me. G. G. Glasses. G. G. Glasses. Teacher's note. Teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. असातिज़े किराम, वालिदैन और बच्चे आज इन फोनिक्स को ऊंची आवाज़ में पढ़ें और कल दोबारा बच्चों से सुने. जनरल नॉलेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. हु सजेस्टेड द नेम ऑफ पाकिस्तान? पाकिस्तान का नाम किसने तजवीज़ किया था? चौधरी रहमत अली. चौधरी रहमत अली ने. रीड अलाउड विद मी. हु सजेस्टेड द नेम ऑफ पाकिस्तान? चौधरी रहमत अली. Read aloud with me. Who suggested the name of Pakistan? Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. Who suggested the name of Pakistan? Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. Children, read aloud with me. Who suggested the name of Pakistan? Chaudhary Rahmat Ali. Conversation. What is your favorite color? आपका पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? The favorite color of mine is red. What is your? Tell me the favorite color of yours. What is your favorite color? Red. What is your favorite color? Red. Children, read aloud with me. What is your favorite color? Red. What is your favorite color? Red. What is your favorite game? आपकी पसंदीदा गेम कौन सी है? Cricket. What is your favorite game? Cricket. What is your favorite game? Cricket. Read aloud with me. What is your favorite game? Cricket. What is your favorite game? Cricket. Now we will read the poem again. Now read aloud with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on the right. Dictionary words. Helmet. What is it? Helmet. What is it? Helmet. Children, read aloud with me. Helmet. आपके पापा बाइक पे जब जाते हैं तो ये पहनते हैं. Helmet. What is it? Helmet. What is it? Helmet. This one is box. This one is box. Dibba. Box. Read aloud with me. Box. Read aloud with me. Box. This one is box. Teacher's note. Make sure that all the students have learned all the questions and the dictionary word today with the loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. मोहतरम असातिज़-ए-किराम, बच्चों को तमाम क्वेश्चंस और डिक्शनरी वर्ड्स अच्छे से याद करवाएं और दोबारा कल सुने. Now we will start written page. We will do the practice of G today, but first we are going to do the classwork. So mark on this classwork. Now we will start with G. G.
And a small sleeping line makes alphabet G. Now we will write G. A curve and a small sleeping line makes alphabet G. Now we will write G. A curve and a small sleeping line makes alphabet G.
प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम दोबारा से जी की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. वालिदैन और असातिज़ा-ए-किराम इस बात का ध्यान रखें कि जी की प्रैक्टिस सेम उसी पैटर्न पे जैसे हमने पहले की थी उसी पैटर्न पे दोबारा से करवाएं और उसी तरह जनरल नॉलेज, कन्वर्सेशन, पोएम्स और डिक्शनरी वर्ड्स याद करवाएं और उसी तरह जी की प्रैक्टिस जैसे हमने लास्ट टाइम की थी उसी तरह जी का रिटन वर्क भी करवाएं. अस्सलामु अलैकुम. Welcome to Kanzul Iman School.